Hello, we are at 2245 Larkin Street and this is apartment 10. Studio apartment, we are on the second floor out of 3. So right when you come in, you're in a central hallway. Hardwood floors throughout the unit. We'll start with the main room of the studio. Nice large room, beautiful bay window, looking right out onto Larkin. Our cross street is Union, so we're in prime Russian Hill, and we're facing east out of this window. Okay, got a nice medallion and some picture rail for some period detail. Electric wall-mounted heater. Okay, fire escape. Looking back this direction, there's a large walk-in closet that has 2 doors. There's door number 1. And you can also access it here from the hallway, so from either side. And it is very large. Tenants in the past have put dressers and other, clothing storage items in here. All right, electric wall-mounted heater number 2. Here is the bathroom. Okay, shower over tub. Got a black and white tile surround. Original tile floor here. Some built-in shelves. Okay, and here is a mirrored medicine chest. It does open up and have storage inside, and then you got the cabinet beneath the sink. All right, coming into the kitchen dining. Another medallion there on the ceiling. Hardwood floors throughout this unit with the exception of the kitchen and bathroom, right? Okay, got some beautiful original built-in cabinets here, loads of storage. Goes all the way floor to ceiling. Gas range with a hood. Updated kitchen. Quartz countertop. Here's the fridge. And then there's room for a small table here. I think the fridge could be scooted over a little bit this way, but you could put a little tiny table there in the corner. And then here's a closer look at the gas range and the hood. Okay, that is a quick look at the unit. Oh, we got a light out there in the hallway. We will get that addressed. This building does have laundry, shared laundry, 2 washers, 2 dryers down on the ground level. We use an app here called Shine Pay, so you don't have to scrounge for quarters. And then we do have an optional storage locker available if you need a little extra room to store things. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Again, this was 2245 Larkin, number 10.